Hello students, in my last video I explained you about the properties of rational number. Today in this video I am going to solve the first exercise of rational number class 8. So the first question or first exercise is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. You need to solve this question using property. See, you can solve this question by Bottom-up rule also. You will get the correct answer, but you will not get marks in your exam because in the question it is said using appropriate property find the solution of this question. So we have to use the properties which we have studied in the last video. So how to solve this question? See, first of all we have to make groups in this. How to make groups? I'll tell you a rule that if there is multiplication sign in between the two numbers, then they fall in one group. And if there is plus or minus sign in between the two numbers, then they fall in different group. So these two are in one group because there is multiplication sign. This is in separate group because plus sign. This is minus, so again this is a separate group, but these two are in one group because there is multiplication sign. So in this way we have made the groups. Now what is the purpose of making the group? First of all, why we have made the group is because I want to bring two groups together which are having any one number common. Now if you see the first and the last group, 3 by 5 is in both the groups. So what I'll do is I'll shift the second group in place of third and third in place of second. And this shifting is actually called commutative property because you have studied in the last video. I have told you that 2 plus 5 or 5 plus 2 will remain 7 only. So it doesn't make any difference if you change their position. So what we are going to do is we are going to apply commutative property and we will make third group in place of second and second group in place of third. That means minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So what I did, I shifted them, and this is actually commutative property. This is called commutative property. Now, why I have done this? Because I want those two groups together which has any one number common. So if you see 3 by 5 is common. So what I'll do is now I will take this 3 by 5 outside. Outside means common. So what will be left? Minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. Now this is called distributive property. In the last video I told you how to use distributive property. Actually distributive property is when any number is written outside the bracket and we open the bracket, that number gets multiplied with each and every term inside the bracket. So this is what it is, but in reverse order. Just have a look. If you multiply it with this, you'll get this. If you multiply it with this, you'll get this. So it is actually the distributive property, but in reverse order. That is from left to right we have written it. So this is called distributive property. Now what you have to do is you have to solve the bracket. So in order to solve the bracket, you need to take the LCM of 3 and 6. That is 6. In 3's table 6 come 2 times. So 2 2's are 4. Minus in 6 table 6 come 1 time. 1 1's are 1. Plus 5 by 2. 3 by 5 bracket minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now what we will do is, since there is a bracket means it is in multiplication, so you can cancel this 5 and 5 and this 3 2's are 6. So it will be minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Again we will take LCM. It will be 2 minus 1 plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 is 4. 4 by 2 which is equals to 2. So the answer for this question is 2. We have solved it using the property, commutative property and distributive property we have used. So remember that in exam you have to solve this question using properties, otherwise you will not get marks. So how we have used the property, this you have to remember. Similarly, the second part of question number 1 is also based on the property only. You have to do the second part also in the similar manner using the commutative and distributive property. I'll solve this second part also for you. Let me wrap this first. Alright, the second part is, the question for second part is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Now our first step is to make the groups. How to make the groups? Multiplication sign is there if between the two numbers, they fall in one group. Minus sign, separate group. Multiplication sign, one group. Plus sign, separate group. Multiplication sign, one group. I am repeating once again. Multiplication sign keeps the number in one group. If suppose there is division sign, then also it keeps the numbers in one group. But minus and plus sign keeps the numbers in separate group. Now you must be thinking that this minus is actually the sign of this fraction. So that is why we have kept it into in a bracket. Now see in which group any one number is common. If you see in this group it is 2 by 5 and in the last group also 2 by 5. So first and third group is having one number common. So what we will do is we will bring these two groups together by shifting the third group in place of second and second in place of third. So let's do it. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So this is in one group, this is in one group, this is in one group, and this property is commutative property because you have shifted the position of the numbers. So 2 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 2. You have just shifted, so it will not make any difference. Now we will take 2 by 5 common. The next step is we have to take that number outside. What is left? Minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 is left. And minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 will be as it is. This is distributive property because we have taken common. Whenever we take common, that is actually distributive property. So now you have to solve the bracket taking the LCM. 7 and 14, LCM is 14. In 7's table 14 comes 2 times. So 3 2s are 6. And in 14's table 14 comes 1 time. 1 1s are 1. And what about this? This we are going to solve. It will be minus 1 by 4. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We have solved it because we have to do nothing with this one. There is no term common with these. So this we are going to solve separately. Now here again 2 by 5 and minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. There is bracket means multiplication. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 2 and 14 will get cancelled, minus 1 by 7 and minus 1 by 4. Now again we will take the LCM because minus sign is in between. Whenever we have plus and minus sign in between, we will take the LCM. So LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. In 7's table 28 comes 4 times. So 4 1s are 4 and in 4's table 28 comes 7 times. So 7 1s are 7. So minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11 upon 28. So minus 11 upon 28 is the answer for this question. Again, if you see that we have solved this question using the two properties, commutative and distributive. Remember that you cannot solve this question by doing Bode-Must rule because it is written in the question, use appropriate property to solve. So we have done it by using appropriate properties. So this is the first two questions, first two parts of first question of exercise 1.1 of NCERT book rational number. The rest of the questions I will show you in my next video. So if you like my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.